The British pound, we initially identified the sell zone. DST clients, we covered this yesterday about the ask zone here, the top part of the ask zone, and again, your position sizing model as far as risk. Now, this market, again, has rolled over. Again, look at the low-to-low trend line extension right here, high-to-high trend line right here for that nice little bull channel. We talked about 1, 2, 3 drives to a top, 127 or 1618 extension present in each one of those drives. And then with this impulse move lower right here, the market broke structure. Okay, so there was the short entry at 430s. Drive down to a new structure low. Now again, remember yesterday we talked about 382 retracement. Take the swing high down to that new structure low, and I'm going to edit in the 382. And you'll note here the 382 holds. And again, when we see that the market in a sell-off can't rally even to the 382, then that shows strength in the direction of the move. In this case, it's south. So we expect a minimum move to the 127. Okay, so remember I talked about the breakout trade. In this case, it would have been around 273s, 274s. And right now, you're looking at 205s, new lows for the day here as we move into the U.S. Open session. Okay, so from our original short entry right here, the extension was the X to A leg squared. Okay, so let's drop that in right there so we can give you heads up. Your initial scalping contract targets were hit right here. And again, on those scalpers, from the 243s down to the 300s, about 120 to 130 pips. And now opportunity to trail stops in aggressively. See, we're trading right here, 208s. So let's take the fib, pull it down now to this guy. We're going to take the last swing high right there down to the new structure lows. And you see that a stop above the 618 retracement comes in at around 291s. Now again, that's a lot of exposure. Okay, so you'll see right here, let's just call it 210, current trade. 291s, that's 80 pips of open position risk. If the market drives down into the projected target, okay, you see right here, that's around 70s. So about 130, 140 pips yet of opportunity. Okay, so that said, we'll go ahead and drop in the trail right here. And again, even on this trail stop right here at the 291s, that's going to lock in about 150 pips on the balance. So around 280 pips per contract. Now, remember we talked about reducing position size. So even if you only used 4 mini lots right here, you know, you take that position sizing, cut it in half. 2 of those are scalpers, 2 of those are traders, and now looking for the extended move. Okay, so nice winner there in the British pound. Trail stops locking in profit. Real quickly, and then we'll move over to the index. Let's take a look at the euro. Remember yesterday I showed you how to sell this adverse excursion. Okay, so there's the euro rolling over as well. We had the euro sell right there at the 138, 137.90s. Market had moved against the position when we looked at this in our Monday training session right here. Okay, so some of you took advantage of that, got a better entry, and now you can see this thing's driving down into the initial target. So let's take the swing lows at C to the highs at D. Good initial targets right here around 137.22. So about 35 pips left right here to go get target 1. And again, you see nice bearish movement here as we run into the open of the New York session. Okay, so no reason to have risk any greater than above this last swing high. The market now is broken structure. We've got the symmetrical double top. This higher low taken out by the new structure low. We got the lower low, lower close. DST clients, consider our retracement trade we discussed. Okay, the favorable excursion twist. Look at this, swing high to the new structure low, outside return, 618. And now you can see here's a 1-to-1 measured move approaching right here. There's AB, copy paste, CD. Okay, so short term, you see a little pattern completion right here. And again, remember we're on the hourly time frame. Okay, so euro moving down into the initial target, and this could pull back into that 618 retracement of the much larger leg.